Hello and welcome to Whimsy Creek Art. In today's video, I'm going to do a paint pour on a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I'm going to be using the Apple Barrel pouring medium, which you can get at Walmart. And I'm also going to be using a split cup, a 4-compartment split cup that then I'm going to use 4 different shades of blue, so kind of a monochromatic paint pour today. And I'm going to be using the Master's Touch paints from Hobby Lobby, 3 different Master's Touch paints, and then 1 Apple Barrel paint, which is also from Walmart. I already have my paint all mixed up and ready to go in my split cup, 4 compartments, so 4 different colors of blue. This is kind of more on the teal blue, but it's Viridian, then ultramarine blue, and then cobalt blue, and Apple Barrel's Summer Sky. And those are all mixed up with the Apple Barrel pouring medium. I have a 64-ounce jar, and that cost me $19. And I mixed that 4 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. And I didn't need to put any water in. It was just right with 4 parts of the pouring medium and 1 part paint. And I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I just have it sitting on top of a cake spinner. And I don't need to fasten it on there or anything, because I'm not going to be spinning it fast. So I'm just starting in the middle, and as I'm letting it come out and kind of doing a tree ring pour, but kind of swirling it around and just slowly going around the edges as I do that. And I did get my split cup from Mike's 3D Design. That's my husband's new shop over on Etsy, and I will have a link down in the description for these split cups, and that is my husband's new shop over on Etsy. So check that out if you're looking to get a split cup. These are 3D printed, and they're made from PLA, which is a little bit more of an environmentally friendly plastic. It's made from cornstarch and different corn products and sugar products, and they're made from a little bit more of a biodegradable substances. So, all right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm just going to turn up the music, and you have an awesome day, and thank you so much.